Section 3.4, we're going to continue to use data set 1 from Appendix B. Here we would like to know descriptive statistics, but for each value of marital status. To do this, we're going to go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics. Then we are going to do, we're going to do Analyze, Compare Means. When the dialog box comes up, we are going to do age as the variable we would like the descriptive statistics on, and we would like it broken down by marital status. So that's going to be level 1 of our independent variable. In this case, the output will look like this, telling us that the average age of single is 22.4, of married 35.1, of divorced 41.3.